Every home has a space where energy gathers, and this season, that space can become something enchanting. Think of it as a transformation, ordinary routines blending with festive spirit to create an atmosphere that feels both magical and alive. We'll explore simple surface touches, creative thematic arrangements, and larger focal points that set the stage for gatherings. It's all about creating atmosphere while keeping everything practical and usable. Surfaces are prime real estate. The goal here is to swap out a few everyday elements with seasonal touches that instantly shift the mood. Next, create a small, curated grouping. This is your chance to showcase pieces that feel festive, intriguing, or playful, arranged with balance and intention. What's the one thing you always change in your home during this season? Share your favorite swap in the comments below. For a unique and immersive look, lean into a theme. This can be mysterious, elegant, or whimsical. It's all about choosing a style that resonates with you. This is also the perfect opportunity for simple DIY touches. Small personal creations can transform ordinary areas into something unforgettable. If these Halloween kitchen ideas sparked your imagination, hit the like button and share this video with friends who love decorating their homes. Finally, let's address the larger surfaces. These are your stages for maximum impact, where a single bold touch can shift the entire atmosphere. For gatherings, you can elevate the look with layered textures, bold contrasts, and dramatic tones. These set the scene for memorable experiences. For more spooky and stylish Halloween decorating inspiration, don't forget to subscribe and join us for the next set of festive ideas. By blending practical design with imaginative spirit, you've created a festive space that feels alive and welcoming. Every detail works together to shape not just a room, but an experience. We hope these ideas inspire your own seasonal transformation. Every season brings a chance to reimagine your space. And with a few thoughtful touches, you can create an atmosphere that feels both festive and uniquely yours.